Hey guys, wanna lock your Facebook profile for more privacy? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. So first off, open Facebook on your phone and afterwards click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now from there, scroll down a bit and select the settings and privacy option. Then open these settings right away and scroll down a bit again until you see the followers and public content. So just give it a tap and review these first 6 options. Now enter each of them and set it for only me, then click save for each of those. And now you can again go back, select the page and tagging, open it, and do the same thing for these 2 first options. So open this option called Who Can Post on Your Page and set it for Only Me. And do the same for the next one, just like that, Only Me, and click Save. Now again, you can go back from here and look for the Lock Profile option. If you do not have it, do not worry, the steps that we have already completed are enough, and if you have it, simply enable it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.